Looking to remodel your bathroom on a budget? Well, you're in luck. Today we're going to show you that remodeling a bathroom doesn't have to break the bank. With some careful planning, a bit of DIY spirit, and a dash of creativity, you can transform your bathroom into a beautiful space. Remember, the key to a successful, budget-friendly remodel is planning and budgeting ahead of time. Ready to get started? Let's dive into the first step of our budget-friendly bathroom remodel. The first step in any successful remodel is planning and designing. Having a clear plan and design is vital. It helps you visualize the end result and keeps you focused and within budget. When choosing a design, consider your existing bathroom layout. This can save you a bundle by avoiding major plumbing changes. Prepare a list of materials you'll need and calculate their costs. This step can help prevent unexpected expenses. With a clear plan and design, you're ready to tackle the next step: shopping for materials. The second step involves shopping for materials. But remember, we're on a budget. Smart shopping is key to keeping costs low. Compare prices across different stores and online platforms. Keep an eye out for sales or discounts. Second-hand items or overstocked materials can be a gold mine of savings. Always get a little more material than you think you'll need. A few extra tiles or a bit more paint can save the day in case of mistakes or damages. Once you've gathered your materials, you're ready to start the actual remodeling process. Now it's time to get your hands dirty and start the actual remodeling process. This is where your bathroom begins to take on a new shape and personality. First up, out with the old. That means safely removing and disposing of old fixtures and tiles. Remember to turn off the water supply and be careful with sharp edges. Next, let's bring in the new. This involves installing your shiny new fixtures. Pro tip: always measure twice and install once. It saves you from unnecessary adjustments later on. Now let's add some color. Painting is a cost-effective way to dramatically change the look of your bathroom. Choose a paint that's moisture-resistant to keep your walls looking fresh and clean over time. Finally, it's time for tiling. This can be a bit tricky, but patience and precision are your best friends here. Use a tile cutter for a neat finish. Congratulations! You've just remodeled your bathroom on a budget. But we're not done yet. Let's wrap up with some final tips. To wrap up, here are a few more tips to keep in mind. A clean workspace is a more efficient one, so take a few minutes at the end of each day to tidy up. Also, track your progress with before and after photos. It's not only satisfying, but it can help you spot any areas that need a little extra attention. Remember, careful planning, smart shopping, and a bit of elbow grease are your keys to a successful remodel. With these tips and steps, you're well equipped to remodel your bathroom on a budget. Happy remodeling!